Good morning, YouTube. This is a Champion 1400 watt generator. It's got an 80 cc Champion motor on it. It quit running on me. It started backfiring through the carburetor, and I pulled out the plug and there's no compression. There's just suction and no compression. So I was thinking, man, I should just throw away this motor. What a piece of junk. I decided to pull off the valve cover and check out the valves, and this little apparatus right here that hooks up to the push rods, and it pushes up on this right here, and then it pushes down on the valve over here. There's a pin in here, and I guess this is going to be the exhaust port, and this pin, there's a C-clip here. It had fallen out and the pin came down here, and this thing was just kind of flimsy and flopping. It wasn't working, so I put it back together, and that should take care of it. There's 4 bolts on the valve cover and 4 bolts on this, and you just take those out and you can put that back together and you'll probably be running again. And I haven't tried it yet, but I'm 100% sure that's what the problem was. So if you have that problem, go ahead and take that apart and check it before you throw away your motor.